Okay, hello everyone and welcome to our English acquiring class. Yes, we are getting to know English as if we are getting to know London and New York day by day. Yes, familiarity is important. Yes, we are getting familiar with English day by day. So sometimes, for example, as you see, we see active voice sentences and sometimes passive voice sentences, and even now causative voice sentences. We have been studying the causative sentences, and I have an opinion that after having studied the passive voice sentences, and we will have a revision after this video about passive and of course causative sentences, and I have an opinion that we will have doubled our English. Yes, our English will be doubled. Yes, because it's really a main part of everyday language or daily language. Okay, yes, hello again and welcome back. Okay. Yes, as I said, our subject is to study the causative sentences. For example, what does the GIF say? Everything mobile, etc. We fix, we mend, we repair. What you break? Yes. We fix broken, damaged mobile phones. Yes. Do you see that broken is adjective here? As I always said in the past, that verb three forms of all verbs in English are adjectives as well. Broken mobile phone, for example. Okay. Broken car, yes, means out of order. Yes, broken as an adjective, out of order. Something that does not work, does not function. Okay. Okay, let's go on reading the GIF. There are a lot of sentences and phrases. We can repair. Yes, active model. We can repair. Broken glass. So let's make it passive. Broken glass can be repaired by us. Yes, broken glass can be repaired. LCD. Yes, we can repair LCD. So LCD can be repaired. Battery, we can repair battery, we can do battery replacement. Water damage, yes, we can repair water damage, we can fix it. Or phone unlock, we can fix phone unlock. Okay. This is an advertisement. Okay, what did it inspire me? It inspired me that, for example, it inspired me to write something like this. My phone is broken. Here, it doesn't have a connection with breaking something into pieces, okay? As it is in the GIF. Okay, it is just out of order. If something is broken, it is out of order. Yes, my phone is broken. Where can I have a broken phone fixed? Where can I have a broken phone fixed? causative passive. Yes. Where can I have a broken phone fixed? Okay. Now, trip 5. Yes, let's remember active sentences, passive sentences, and active causative sentences and passive causative sentences. A quick review, a quick summary. Yes, active sentence, for example, you know tons of sentences in active, like this. Arif fixed my phone yesterday. Arif brought my phone yesterday. In simple past tenses. Arif fixed my phone yesterday. Passive, my phone was fixed yesterday by Arif. Active causative, I had Arif fix my phone yesterday. Passive causative, I had my phone fixed. Have something done. I had my phone fixed yesterday by Arif. So, number 1, I want to fix. Active. I want to fix my scooter, for example. Active sentence and infinitive. I want to fix my scooter. What do you want me to do? I want to fix my scooter. What do you want me to do? I want you to see Mr. Brown. 2, I want my scooter to be fixed by you. What do you want me to be done? I want you, what do you want to be done? Yes, I want to be given time. Yes, I want to be given time. I want to be given money. Yeah, I want to be given information. Okay. I want to be given the price. Okay. Sentence 3. I want to get you. I want to get you to fix my scooter. I want to get you to fix my scooter. What do you want? What do you want to get me to do? I want you. I want to get you. Yes, I want to get you to translate this message. I want to get my scooter fixed by you. What do you want to get done or to have done? Okay. I want you to get this message translated, or I want you to have this message translated. Okay. Now, passive causative form, have something done. For example, dialogue 1, we can have our hair cut in a beauty salon. We can have our hair cut, have something done, cut. The third form, in a beauty salon. What can we have done at a computer store? We can have our computer. We can have our computer fixed at a computer store. Beauty salon, beauty parlor, in American English, beauty parlor, beauty shop, beauty center, barber shop, update, maintain, upload, upgrade. Yes, these are useful words. For example, what can we have done at a computer shop? We can have our computer updated or maintained. Okay. Now, passive causative again. Dialogue 2. We can get our computer fixed at a computer store. What can we get done? What can we have done by a handyman? We can have our fruit tree pruned. Yes, we can have our kitchen designed. We can get our kitchen renewed. Okay, etc., etc. Again, dialogue 3. We can have our house painted by a handyman. We can have our house painted. Have somebody, sorry, have something done. We can have our house painted. What can we have done by an optician? We can have our eyes tested. Or we can have our glasses maintained by an optician. Now, dialogue 4. I had my leather jacket cleaned in October. When did you have your leather jacket cleaned? I had it cleaned in November, just after October. Where can I have my leather jacket painted? You can have it painted in that shop. Okay. For upgrading Windows. Okay. For I need to have the computer upgraded. Yes, to be better. What do you need to have done? What do you need to have done? So I need to have my computer maintained, cleaned. Okay. Upgrade means improve, make something better. Yes. Again, dialogue 6, again passive causative. I need to have my portrait drawn. I need to have my portrait drawn. What do you need to have done? I need to have my watch repaired. 7, I know when Serdar will have his bike fixed. Now, let's make it a little bit difficult, okay? By using a main clause, okay? I know when Serdar will have his bike fixed. Who knows when he will have it fixed? My neighbor, Hasan Bey, knows where he will have it fixed. Now, passive causative and active causative. First of all, passive causative. I want to have my home clean. I want to have Furkan clean my home. I want to have Furkan is active causative. What do you want to have done is, and what do you want to have Furkan do? I want to have my garden redesigned. So I want to have Furkan redesign my garden. Yes, I want to have my garden redesigned. Word 3. I want to have Furkan redesign my garden. Dialogue 9. I want to get my scooter fixed. Yes, just like saying, I want to buy a car. Yes, I want to speak. I want to be spoken. And now I want to get my scooter fixed. What do you want to get done? I want to get my car painted. I want to get my car washed, cleaned. What else do you want to get done? I want to get my neck massaged. Yes, or I want to have my neck massaged. Now, active causative. Do the performers have the spectators scream and shout, or do the spectators scream and shout on their own? Yes, we can choose both of them or either of them. Let's choose the active causative sentence. The performers have the spectators scream, have somebody do something. The performers have the spectators scream and shout because it is their job to do that. Okay. Active causative. I have Serdar cut my hair. Cut, verb one. Have somebody do something. I have Serdar cut my hair. This is my routine. This is my habit. Okay. I always do this. I always have Serdar cut my hair. Who do you have? Who do you have? Yes, who do you have cut your hair? I have Murat cut my hair. Barber Murat cut my hair. Who do you get? Who do you get to cut your hair? I get Serdar to cut my hair. Or I get Murat, Barber Murat to cut my hair. Who do you have? Who do you have clean your house? I have Feride clean my house. With get, I get Feride to clean my house. So simple. Okay, 11. I will have someone. Yes, again, let's not just focused on only one tense. Okay, let's try to make sentences in all past, present, and future tenses. Okay, I will have someone. I will have someone take my passport photo. What will you have someone do? I will have someone to draw my portrait. Active causative subject. Get somebody to do something. Did you get Bob to paint the wall? Yes, I got Bob to paint the wall. Again, active causative. I get Serdar to cut my hair. Who do you get to cut your hair? Yes, I always get Murat, Barber Murat, to cut my hair. I must get someone to shorten my overcoat. I must get someone to shorten my overcoat. What must you get someone to do? I must get someone to take care of my pets. Or I must get someone to lengthen the sleeves of my overcoat. 14. I want to have someone repair my watch. What do you want to have someone do? I want to have someone have someone fix my scooter. I want to get someone to translate this email. What do you want to get someone to do? I want to get someone, now this time to fill in the form, this form. Please rewrite the active causatives with passive causatives, okay? They are active causatives and you will change them into passive causatives. Yes, for example, do you know where I can get someone to iron my suit? With the verb in parentheses ironed, starting with, do you know where I can get my suit ironed? Yes, do you know where I can get my suit ironed? This is the key. Do you know where I can get my suit ironed? Active causative. Do you know where I can have someone serve a meal to me on this commuter bus? The same question with passive causative with the verb serve. Do you know where I can do you know where I can have my meal, or where I can have a meal served? Yes, on this commuter bus. do you know where I can have a meal served to me on this commuter bus? I think it's better to see the key sentences. Okay, let's read it and concentrate on it. Active. Do you know where I can have a street artist draw my portrait? Passive with drawn. Do you know where I can have my portrait drawn by a street artist? Okay, have something done. Okay, of course, you should do them by understanding, but to gain time, to make use of time, let me just read the key part. Okay. Can I get an optician? Can I get an optician to examine my eyes in this shopping mall or shopping center? With examined, can I get my eyes examined? Can I get my eyes checked, tested by an optician in this shopping mall? Okay, 5. Can I get someone to deliver my library books to my home? With delivered, can I get my library books delivered to my home? Is it possible? Okay. 6. Do you know a place where I can get someone to check my email in this bus terminal? Here, or with check, do you know a place where I can get my email checked in this bus terminal? Do you know a place where I can have someone do grocery shopping over the internet? With done, do you know a place? Simple present tense word. Do you know a place where I can have grocery shopping done by someone over the internet or on the internet? Done is fixed. It is always in this form, verb 3, past participle of the verb. Okay, do you know where I can get someone to buy clothing from a vending machine? Or with passive form, with the verb bought, by, bought. Do you know where I can get clothing bought by someone from a vending machine? Now, active, passive, and causative structure. Active, passive, and causative structure is enough. Yes, structure as a noun. Okay, structure. Okay, yes, you should know it very well. Yes, you know it very well. No, not with should. I am sure that you know it very well. This is active voice. For example, Dr. Brown vaccinated me. Okay, Dr. Brown vaccinated me. Mr. Oliver painted our gate. Simple past tense. And active voice. What about the passive voice? I was vaccinated. I was vaccinated on the 15th of May. I got vaccinated on the 15th of May. My son got vaccinated as well. Our gate got painted or was painted. Both are possible. You know this. By Mr. Oliver. This is normal passive voice. But now, causative, active causative. I got Dr. Brown to vaccinate my son. Active causative. Now, or I got Dr. Brown to vaccinate me. Okay, active causative. I got Mr. Oliver to paint our gate. Active causative. To second part, I got my son vaccinated too. Passive causative. I got myself vaccinated on the 15th of May, passive causative. I got our gate painted, passive causative. I got our gate painted by Mr. Oliver. Yes. Let me write it too. I got our gate painted, passive, causative, by Mr. Oliver. By, let me write. By as well, yes. By Mr. Oliver. Okay. I got our gate painted by Mr. Oliver. Okay. Now, okay, ready to eat, active. Why is it active? For example, that gentleman is ready to eat. Okay, Ahmed is ready to eat. But what about the blue sentence? Question. Sorry, as a question, we can also pronounce it or articulate it in a question form. Ready to eat. Ready to eat means, are you ready to eat? Are you ready to eat? Yes, to eat. Active. But to be eaten is passive. Ready to be eaten. Ready to be eaten means, is the meal ready to be eaten? Is it ready to be eaten? Passive. So simple, in fact. This is the key. We started, do you remember? We started passive voice with active infinitives and passive infinitives. Yes. Now, please also notice these causatives. Okay. I haven't heard, so far I haven't heard and I haven't read that form of causatives, but yes, it is also a fact. Maybe you need it just in one page, okay? In one page with 5 sentences. There is also a causative form like this, okay? Okay, for example, 1. Mustafa had Alper have Cemal paint the wall, okay? Yes. Causative in to cause in 2 or more situations. Let me read it once more. Mustafa had Alper have Cemal paint the wall. So Mustafa didn't paint the wall. Alper didn't paint the wall, but Cemal painted the wall. But Mustafa told Alper to paint the door. Alper told Cemal to paint the door. So Mustafa had Alper have Cemal paint the wall. Okay. Sequentially. Okay. Number 2. Mustafa made Alper make Cemal paint the wall. Make somebody do something. Yes. Again, the rule is the same. Yes, have somebody do something, make somebody do something, let somebody do something, for example. 3. Mustafa let Alper have Cemal paint the wall. Okay? 4. Mustafa got or caused Alper to have Cemal paint the wall. The last one, Mustafa got caused Alper to have the wall painted by Cemal. Okay, Mustafa got Alper to have the wall painted by Cemal. Yes, as a detail. Okay, now quiz time. Please choose the correct alternative. Question 1. Let's see the key. I think it is better to make use of time. Better. Okay. Isn't it possible to get that book? Isn't it possible to get that book blank for all the students before the next term? So, get something done. Isn't it possible to get that book brought for all the students before the next term? Yes, because students need it very much. Okay. Can somebody blank this desk blank this week? Can somebody have this desk repaired? Have something done again. 3. My younger brother didn't used to object to blank whatever he had in the past as a habit. So, uh, sorry, didn't used to object to, because of object to. So didn't used to verb 1, yes, didn't used to object to, now verb ing, sharing, because of object to here, to is a preposition, not infinitive. Okay. Object to sharing whatever he had. Okay. It's 4, it's impolite of you. It's unkind of you. It's impolite of you. Why have you made the children blank while there was no reason for it? They are very unhappy now. Why have you made the children adjective? Okay. Why have you made the children frightened? Why have you made the children afraid, terrified, frightened? While there was no reason for it, they are very unhappy now. They feel very unhappy now. Last question. Your friend suggests blank a serious article about solutions to pollution of air, water, and land. Your friend suggests verb ing, gerund. Your friends suggest singular subject. Your friend suggests writing a serious article about solutions to pollution of air, water, and land. Okay, suggest doing something. Now, vocabulary building time. English learning time, vocabulary building time, also possible. Okay, cope as a verb. Succeed in dealing with a difficult problem or situation. Manage to. Yes, cope means is able to, okay? Be able to, but dealing with a difficult, being able to do or to solve, being able to solve a difficult problem, being able to get out of a difficult situation. Manage to also means cope with, in fact, let me write, with. Succeed in, cope with, manage to, okay? Get through, for example, get through. Have something under control, take something in our stride. Rise above. This is also beautiful. Rise above a difficult situation. Okay. Get out of a difficult situation or rise above a difficult situation. When Salih went to university in a different city, he coped with the difficulties on his own. Yes, he coped with. He coped with solving, or he coped with getting out because of proposition with. He coped with rising above difficulties on his own. When did you first cope with the difficulties of life on your own? When I went abroad, I first coped with learning the language of my new country. Okay. Stride means walk with long steps. Why did I write it? I don't know. Okay, now the image says dream big, set goals, and take action. So without taking action, setting goals or dreaming big doesn't mean anything. Okay. What good goals on earth do not require discipline to cope with? Yes, absolutely. They need discipline to cope with, to achieve. Okay. Vision. Vision means, the dictionary says that an idea of what you think something should be like. What you think something should be like. Vision for or vision of. Kenan has got a clear vision of or for the peace project. What do you think of his vision of peace? Yes, I think he has a useful vision of peace or for peace. Okay. Yes, this is really practical. We really need it in everyday language. Describe, we have studied, do you remember? Describe somebody something as something, describe somebody something, being something, describe somebody something, to be something. Now, this describe describe how, describe what, or where, with question words as a conjunction, of course. Okay, for example, I can describe how you feel. I can describe what you will do. I can describe where you can work. Okay. I can describe how you feel now. Can you describe what I am doing now? Yes, of course, I can describe what you are doing now. You are trying to get to know. Yes, you are trying to get to know English. You are trying to get familiar with English. You are trying to acquire English, or you are trying to familiarizing yourself with English. Okay. Okay, benefit somebody means be helpful to somebody. Benefit, no proposition. Benefit somebody means help somebody. Okay, be helpful to somebody. But benefit from somebody, there is propositional. Benefit from somebody means be helped by somebody. Okay. Tony can benefit Henry. Okay. Tony can help Henry. Tony can be helpful to Henry. Tony can be beneficial as an adjective to Henry. But here, Tony can benefit Henry by doing what? By lending him enough money to start his new job. How can you benefit? How can you benefit Henry? I can benefit Henry by finding him a suitable office. How can Henry's project benefit the society? It can benefit the society by providing them with spring, clear, pure spring water. So beneficial to, remember, okay? To be, of course, as an adjective. Beneficial to means be helpful to, or be helpful to. Let's write to as an adjective. It also takes to, or be good. Yeah, to be good. Good to something, or to do something, or someone, benefit something or someone. Benefit something or someone. Okay. Beneficial to means be helpful to. Okay. Let's go on. Roman number 2. Everybody can benefit from. Now, this is the opposite, just the opposite of it. Benefit someone, benefit from someone. Everybody can benefit from means everybody can be helped by Henry's wisdom. Benefit from Henry's wisdom. I think parentheses will be better here. Okay. Everybody can benefit from Henry's wisdom, or everybody can be helped by Henry's wisdom. Okay, this is much better. Okay, how can society benefit from your project? Yes, how can society benefit from your project? Society can benefit from my project by liking my videos. Yes, okay, by subscribing to my English acquiring channel. This is my project. I hope it will. I hope it will benefit to society. I hope society will benefit from it. Okay. Wrongdoing. Yeah. Wrong adjective. Doing wrong, yes, is negative, for example. But wrongdoing is also a verb. Don't wrongdo. Don't be a wrongdoer, for example. Yes, we sometimes treat ourselves unfairly. We are sometimes doing wrong to ourselves. Yes, we sometimes wrong ourselves. Yeah, we sometimes, we sometimes, we sometimes we can be wrongdoers to ourselves. Okay, be mindful of, mindful adjective, mindful doctor, mindful friend, mindful neighbor. But be mindful of. We must be mindful of the heat as well as the cold. We are human beings after all. In the end, finally, yes. We are human beings in the end. We are human beings after all. We are human beings finally. So we must be mindful of the heat as well as the cold. I would like to get an answer about using Uber. Yeah, these are practical sentences, modal sentences. I would like to have an answer about using Uber. Okay. Now, thank you very much. I hope it was beneficial. I hope it was useful. And thank you for watching. See you next time.